einfach muss Größe, ne? Bestimmt noch eine Position. Das haben Sie im Taster, dürft ihr nicht runternehmen, nur weil der andere kleiner ist als Sie.
Okay. Actually, what I suggest you is find a stranger. It would be even better.
Am besten jemand, den der gar nicht kennt.
Many people, they use to find an old partner. And you know the problem is, okay, because they have already known each other for long. So actually, you know, they don't really depend on feeling. They depend on their own mind.
Viele haben immer ihren Lieblingspartner, mit dem sie ständig üben. Und man gewöhnt sich aneinander und dann macht man eigentlich alles nur noch vom Kopf her und nicht mehr über das Gefühl.
Vi suggerisco di trovare un compagno che è sconosciuto, che non conoscete affatto, perché se vi allenate con anche persone che conoscete, non dipendete più dalla sensazione, ma dipendete dal vostro ricordo, dall'atteggiamento mentale che avete nei confronti di quella persona.
So it is not, listen, like what I said all the time, okay? Because in the instructor tutor, the most important thing is to learn here. Okay?
Das
to learn the concept.
Wichtigste bei diesen Tutorials für die Lehrer ist, für den Kopf was zu machen, nicht für die
La cosa
Technik.
importante del tutoriale è imparare qui nella testa,
Okay?
altri posti.
It's not because how many more movement you have to learn.
Es geht nicht darum, mehr Bewegung zu lernen.
Non sono i movimenti in più che dovete imparare.
It's because, okay, how good or how after you have learned the concept, you know which one is right, which one is wrong.
Wenn ihr Konzepte besser könnt, dann könnt ihr entscheiden, was richtig und was falsch
La
ist.
cosa importante è comprendere non quanti, ma quando vedete i movimenti, quelli che sono giusti, i principi giusti e i principi sbagliati.
So that is why, you know, in this tutor, I would give you a lot of explanation.
Ecco
Deswegen gibt es euch hier viele Erklärungen, lässt euch gar nicht so sehr viel machen, sondern er will für den Kopf was haben.
tutoriali vi darò soltanto tante spiegazioni più che farvi
Okay? If you don't understand, you also have to ask me any questions.
Wenn ihr was nicht versteht, dann
I
scheut euch
would be
nicht zu
very happy
fragen.
to answer
Se
you.
non
Er wäre sehr
comprendete
glücklich, euch die Fragen beantworten zu dürfen.
solitamente molte domande, io sono felice di rispondere.
Okay? Now, like a moment ago, I said, why you better find a stranger?
Warum ist es besser, einen Fremden zu nehmen als
Come
Partner?
prima vi ho spiegato, meglio trovare qualcuno che non conoscete.
Now, it is very much the same like, okay, if you have a very good friend or maybe you, all the time you're with your wife, anytime maybe, before your wife wants to say something, you know what she wants.
Ja, wenn ihr immer mit eurer eigenen Frau zusammen seid, ihr wisst ja schon vorher, was die von euch will. Man kennt sich zu gut.
Siete con vostra moglie, certe volte vostra moglie vuole dire qualcosa e già sapete quello che vuole dire ancora prima non lo dice.
True or not true?
È vero o non è vero?
But you don't suppose to give a punch to your wife. You don't suppose to fight your wife.
Ma non dovete
Aber wir hauen ja nicht unsere Frau.
non dare un cartone.
I know you want to.
So che voi
Maybe he was thinking of that all the time. Okay. So the truth is, okay, you fight against a stranger in the street or somewhere.
Auf der Straße draußen habt ihr einen Fremden vor euch, keinen Partner, den ihr kennt.
qualcuno
Ok.
per strada è uno sconosciuto.
Okay. So if you find a partner, you have been practicing with him for all the time. Even when he want to move, you know. Before he want to move, you know he want to
Wenn ihr mit
move.
eurem Lieblingspartner übt, dann wisst ihr ja schon vorher, wann er sich bewegt. Ihr seid aufeinander eingespielt, das ist keine Schwierigkeit
Se
mehr.
vi allenate con un compagno che conoscete già praticamente sapete ancora prima quando si vuole muovere.
Right? Because you know him too well.
Lo conoscete troppo
Ihr
bene.
kennt ihn zu gut, ne?
Because you know him too well, that's why you cannot divert your sensation.
Dann kann man dein Gefühl nicht weiterentwickeln. Man weiß ja vorher schon, was kommt.
Siccome lo conoscete troppo bene non potete sviluppare la vostra sensazione.
Okay? Now, come on, find a stranger. Never mind.
Cambiate compagno.
He's a German or Italiano, who cares? Or you know him or you don't know him, who
Sucht euch mal
cares?
jemanden, den ihr nicht
Okay.
kennt, mit dem ihr noch nie gemacht habt.
And then you can find out, you know, they're completely different. Your feeling is completely
Dann
different.
werdet ihr merken, dass euer Gefühl ganz anderes ist. Ihr müsst euch auf den einstellen.
Che loro sono
Ihr müsst wieder fühlen, ihr
diversi.
wisst es nicht mehr.
Okay? But at the same time. Okay? So you don't have to go like this, and I don't have to go like this.
Wenn es geht, ungefähr gleiche Größe, damit
That
man
may be
nicht...
the problem.
Ja,
Because
so
some
relativ
Indians, they go like this.
Quello potrebbe essere un problema cambiare l'altezza, che poi fanno questi errori.
So you can do exactly the same thing.
Cercate un
Dann macht ihr
compagno.
genau
Now one more thing. Pay attention to this, okay?
Eine Sache noch.
Now look, one more thing. If you go like this, now look.